Alright, good day, ladies and gentlemen. It's another week, another day of learning. You're welcome to Sign Language Simplified. I know previously you've enjoyed our classes, and now we are about to go straight to animals. But you know, I can't give you a sign for any animal without giving you a sign of what animal is. So how do we sign animals? Let's go. Animals. This is what we are going to learn today. Different type of animals. But let me remind you, if you're just watching us for the first time, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, comment on our box, and tell us or make suggestions on how to be better. Then if I've skipped any animal you want to learn, please put it in the comment section and we will reply you. Now, you've learned how to sign animals. The first animal we want to teach you today is dog. How do we sign dog? You tap, you hit your lap and you snap your finger. You hit your lap, you snap your finger. That is how to sign dog. And after dog, we have goat. How do we sign goat? Now, we know goat has ears and 2 horns. So you sign goat, your own sign, goat, and the V on your head. So G-O-V, O-V. That is how to sign goat. Sign goat this way. Then, apart from goats, we can also sign cats. How do we sign cats? Your palms wide open. Then, imagining you are touching cats. This way. This is how to sign cats. Yes, it's called whiskers. Yes, cat whiskers. You know, this is how you sign it. So, let's go straight. After cats, we have another common animal everybody sees that we eat. We sign cow like this. You know, because of the horn. Our white sign. We sign cats. Cow, I meant to say. Cow, this way. Cow, this way. Then after cow, we have our humble sheep. How do we sign sheep? Your peace sign. With your arm, with your hand stretched forward. Sheep. If you are using left hand or right hand, the same way. Sheep. After sheep, we have rats. How do we sign rats? Your R finger. Your R sign. You touch your nose with it. Yes, this is how we sound rats. Then after rats, we have bird. How do we sign bird? Now, because of the beak, so we have bird. This same sign goes for chicken, but because bird is also in that class, is another sign for chicken, like this, as if chicken picking their food on the floor. Yes. Then we have another class we have of birds. We have eagle, isn't it? Yes, eagle is another one. Eagle, like this, because of the way its beak goes. So we sign eagle. Now, after eagle, we have O. That's another kind of bird, right? Like this. O because of his wide eyes. O. That's how we sign O. Then after that, we have lizard. Lizard is signed this way. Lizard. Or we describe it climbing the wall like this. Your L sign. This is lizard. Then after lizard, we have monkey. We all see monkey, and there's this sign they give us when they're into their body. So we sign monkey like this. Monkey. Now, after monkey, we have horse. Is it? Yes. There are two interesting ways to sign horse. We sign horse this way because of its ear, and we sign horse this way because we ride on it. And we can say riding on horse too the same way. So that is, we sign this way. Now, ants. How do we sign ants? They move in colonies, they move together in crowds. So, like this. This is ants. Based on their movements. This is ants. Now, apart from ant, we have spider. How do we sign spider? Your S hand on it, on your back of your palm, and you move. Spider. Apart from spider, what do we have again? We have butterfly. And how do we sign butterfly? We sign it based on the way they fly, the way they move their wings. So we sign butterfly. Now, all these signs, all these animals, you see, all animals have their signs, but we can't take everything together because of time. But let's do a little recap of what we've learned. Now, we know we started with signs like goat, isn't it? Dog, right? Who can remember the sign for cats? Okay. No, don't do it that way. This is how you do it. Cats. The wakers. So we, like you're touching them. That's how we sign it. Cat. What about cow? This way. Yes, this way. Then we have eagle. We have bird. And what else do we have? Spider. Butterfly. And rat. These are animals. Now, any animal you want to know, please drop it in the comment section. By next week, also another day, we'll be answering those questions. We'll be giving you the signs for those animals. And from Sign Language Simplified Studio, we say, enjoy your week and enjoy your day. Have a good day rest.